na mga fourth year tapulan usahan. Pero kaning adlaw, dili basa-basa. How jud may basa kaning programa. Dili lang pakita, dili pati suyay. We love go live habang buhay. Go glow, inspirasyon habang buhay. Yeah. Do this right, it's you got. Every time you see an operation month, we're all sincere. Every time we show our best to sing, to perform here.
Ikaw at ako, tayong mga Pilipino, kataway pangalagaan. Ito ang ating yaman, ang kahirap ay di dapat dahilan na ang kalusugan mapabayaan. Mga kababayan, ating saalang-alang, pagpapabayaan na ang buhay ay matamlay. Sa breast milk ni Mami ay healthy si baby. Iwasan natin mga diseases. Dawan ako tayong mga Pilipino. Congratulations! Yaman ang kahirapan, di dapat dahilan na ang kalusugan mapabayaan. Tapos ka patingong
Mga kababayan, ating saalang-alang, pagpapabayaan na ang buhay ay matamlay. Kilos kabataan, buhay
natin to, yosi at alcohol, iwasan mo na to.
mag-exercise na tayo, ingatan figure mo, lumahayog ka, tigil mo na to.
Makinig ka, pari ko.
All of this together, once we know that we are real
Stars and you see that
we're all of this together, once we know that we are real stars, and we see that together, everyone, together.
Shorty's love is like a pyramid. We stand together to the very end. There'll never be another love for sure. Ayaza Sharice, let we go.
Stones, heavy like the love you've shown, solid as the ground we've known, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up.